Today we're unboxing the Govee LED strip light, which we've got right here. I've gotten some other Govee light products in the past and have thoroughly enjoyed them. So we're gonna open this one up, see what it's got inside and just how this thing works. So this is a Bluetooth controlled LED light. What we've got here, it looks like we've got a little power adapter here. We've got controls. I like that they have these controls on the actual plug itself, so that if for whatever reason your Bluetooth isn't working or you don't have your phone, you can use the hand controls. I do really like that. And then all we've got left in here is, it looks like some documentation on this. So let's see what these are. It's got a 24 volt DC, 0.5 amps, and draws 12 watts. And then this one is 16 feet. Wow, they really have this tight with these 16 feet here in terms of how they're able to package all this. So you can choose from a whole bunch of different colors. You've got colorful lighting, music mode, segmented, set timers, DIY mode. And you can see you can change all the different colors here. And then the strip light itself, let's take a look and see what that looks like. So it does have an adhesive back, so that if you want to put this underneath something or behind something and then have it stick to something, you can absolutely do that. And you can see there's your LEDs right there. And then you've got in between that, it looks like some kind of control module or a capacitor, but these are the lights themselves. And yeah, so great for like backlighting, underlighting, or maybe if you had a soffit you wanted to light up, you could do that. And then you've got these controls here. And let's see, the controls even have a little bit of sticky tape on there as well. And then it just plugs in with this. So nice compact package. And then you're gonna be able to control it from your phone with Bluetooth and the Govee app. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.